my name is Nurul binti Ruzam, train number DE200104. Okay, firstly, we reached the component same as lab, figure 8.4, and then we run the simulation, and we got the input voltage value, motor torque value at maximum value, motor speed graph, tachometer voltage graph. Okay, next, input voltage. Then we put input voltage, motor torque, motor speed, tachometer voltage, gain, brake, and the transfer function. We put the numerator and denominator, same as mechanical part. We put numerator and denominator. Next, for figure 8.5, input speed we put 400. So input voltage is 2.600. Okay, next, the tachometer output is 2.596. Okay, so next, we put again input speed 800. Okay, so control T, and we got input voltage 5.2 and tachometer 5.19. Okay, next, the input speed we put. Okay, so input voltage we got 7.800, and for the tachometer we got 7.788 voltage. Okay, so we put the final value is 1700, and we got 1.04, and tachometer output we got 1.038. Okay, so final value we put 2000, and we got input voltage is 1.3. Okay, for final value we put 2200, and we got 1.43 for input voltage, and we got tachometer 1.428. Okay, next, 2600 input voltage and tachometer. So lastly, we got value input voltage and tachometer graph.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Nurul binti Adir. I'm going to do the simulation for lab 7 activity 2. So first thing first, we have to set the final value for input speed to 2500 rpm. As soon as we have set it up, we can click run here. Alright, after that we can click the input voltage to see the input voltage graph. Remind me. Okay, this is how the graph would look like with the value of input voltage is 162.5 volt. Okay, so to know the speed output for brake 0, we can run it and click the speed output. So the speed output that we will get, or the speed output graph, will be like this, and the value is 2496 rpm. So as we can see in the table, it also asks what is the motor speed for brake scale 3. So we can change the brake scale to 3 and click the run button. So that we can click the speed output here, and here we go. This is how the graph will look like with the value 2.265 rpm. Okay, the third brake scale in the table is 6. As usual, we have to change the brake scale to 6, and after that we can run it. And see the graph and get the value. We can get the value by seeing at the two cursor measurement, which it shows it as 2034 rpm. Next one is 9. Run it. the speed output, and we will get this is how it looks like, and we will get 1803 rpm. Next, 12 brake scale, we run it, and this is the graph. Yes, this is how it looks like with a value 1572 rpm. How about 15? You can run it and click the speed output. Okay, this is the graph, and the value is 1341. Last in the table shown below. The brake scale is 18, and let's see how the graph will look like. Okay, we can click the speed output here, and this is how the graph will look like. With the maximum value is 1110 rpm. Lastly, the brake scale is 21, and yeah, the graph is like this with the value 878 rpm. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is M.Rifqi Aiman bin Azizan. Today I will show you how to construct the closed loop speed control system block, which is like in figure 8.6. Alright, firstly we need to construct this by using Simulink in MATLAB. Right, so we need to put the component first. Alright, we can see the figure or what we want to construct will being like this. Okay, next we can draw the line, which is the wire. Right. Okay, same. Right, so the constant or break, then this is the feedback loop or closed loop. Then it do this, and then this gain, that is a tachometer constants. Right, now this is the all the components that we use. Now we need to uh, put the parameter value. Okay, this is start with 0, then This is 162.5 volt. Right, the proportional gain is given in the lab sheet is proportional gain, right, 200s. Then we need to change the parameter of saturation. Upper limit is 21240 and then the lower limit is 0. Right, to name it, this is input voltage, this is proportional gain, this is saturation. Then okay, we need to change the parameter value. You can see what is the parameter value that already have in the lab sheet. Alright, this is LA, inductance and resistor, which is the electrical part. So the value is 0.0281. Okay, 0.028. Then the resistor is 2.581. Then the km is 0.516. Okay, then this is already, now this value for this. Okay, see the lab sheet. So this is the mechanical part that consists of Jm and Bm. So we need to put the Jm and Bm value. Okay, this is Jm, which is the value is 0.0221. Okay, the value of Bm 0.002953. Right, so the brake, this is brake. Alright, this is electrical part. This is a mechanical part. This is the scope, so we can see the graph or the output. Okay, we need to put the value for torque constant, which is KT 0.05. Then we need to see this is tachometer constant, which is TK 0.065. Alright, now we need to name it. This is tachometer. This is torque constant. Alright, already. Okay, the brake is 0. Right now it's already, now we can run it. Okay, so we can see the output. Alright, this is the output for when brake is 0 and the value of the speed of motor when t equal to 10 seconds is being like this.